Hello and welcome to the wonderful world of no-dig gardening. Are you ready to grow a thriving garden while minimizing your work and maximizing your harvest? Then no-dig gardening is for you. This beginner's guide will equip you with the knowledge and practical tips to embark on your own no-dig adventure. We'll explore the principles behind this sustainable approach and guide you through each step of creating a vibrant and productive garden, all while minimizing your impact on the environment. Get ready to discover the joys of gardening in harmony with nature. No-dig gardening is more than just a method. It's a philosophy that respects the soil and its intricate web of life. By understanding the principles behind this approach, you'll be empowered to make informed decisions that benefit both your garden and the planet. Let's delve into the fundamentals of no-dig gardening and uncover the secrets to cultivating a thriving ecosystem right in your backyard. No-dig gardening, in its essence, is about working with nature, not against it. Traditional gardening often involves tilling or digging, which disrupts the soil structure and can harm beneficial organisms. No-dig, as the name implies, eliminates this disruptive practice, opting instead for a more gentle approach. The foundation of no-dig gardening lies in building up soil fertility through layering. Instead of digging down, we create a nutrient-rich environment on top of the existing soil. This involves adding layers of organic matter, such as compost, leaf mold, or well-rotted manure, directly onto the soil surface. These layers break down gradually, mimicking the natural decomposition process in forests and woodlands. As the organic matter decomposes, it provides essential nutrients to plants, improves soil structure, and enhances drainage and aeration, creating an ideal environment for healthy plant growth. The benefits of no-dig gardening extend far beyond just healthy plants. This method offers a plethora of advantages that make it a win-win for both gardeners and the environment. One of the most significant benefits is improved soil health. No-dig gardening promotes a thriving soil ecosystem by minimizing disturbance and providing a constant supply of organic matter. This, in turn, leads to increased microbial activity, which is essential for nutrient cycling and disease suppression. Another notable advantage is reduced weed pressure. By layering organic matter on the soil surface, we create a natural barrier that suppresses weed growth. The thick layers of mulch prevent sunlight from reaching weed seeds, effectively inhibiting their germination. Ready to roll up your sleeves and start your no-dig garden? Let's walk through the practical steps of setting up your own no-dig haven. The first step is to choose a location for your garden. Ideally, select a spot that receives ample sunlight, at least 6 hours a day, and has good drainage. Once you've found the perfect spot, it's time to gather your materials. You'll need cardboard, compost, and any other organic matter you'd like to use, such as leaf mold, straw, or wood chips. Begin by laying down a layer of cardboard directly on top of the existing vegetation. This will act as a weed barrier and will eventually decompose, adding to the organic matter in your soil. Section 5. A thriving garden, maintaining your no-dig oasis. Once your no-dig garden is established, maintaining its vibrancy requires minimal effort. Regular additions of organic matter are key to replenishing nutrients and ensuring continued soil health. Apply a fresh layer of compost or other organic material to the surface of your beds every few months or as needed. Watering your no-dig garden is also crucial, especially during dry periods. The layers of organic matter help retain moisture, but you'll still need to water deeply and less frequently to encourage strong root development. As your plants grow, keep an eye out for pests or diseases. No-dig gardens tend to be more resistant to these issues due to their balanced ecosystem, but it's always a good idea to monitor your plants and take action if needed. Companion planting and natural pest control methods can be highly effective in a no-dig setting. Section 6. Troubleshooting and tips ensuring success. While no-dig gardening is generally straightforward, a few common challenges can arise. Understanding these potential hurdles and knowing how to address them will set you up for success. One common concern is slugs and snails, which are attracted to the moist environment of a no-dig garden. To deter these slimy critters, try using copper tape around your beds or create barriers with diatomaceous earth or crushed eggshells. Another potential issue is nutrient deficiencies. While no-dig gardening promotes healthy soil, imbalances can still occur. Conducting regular soil tests can help identify any deficiencies, allowing you to amend your soil accordingly. Section 7. No-dig for all seasons. Year-round gardening. No-dig gardening isn't limited to just the warmer months. With a little planning, you can extend your growing season and enjoy fresh produce almost year-round. In colder climates, consider using cold frames or greenhouses to protect your plants from frost. These structures create a microclimate that allows you to start seeds earlier in the spring and extend the harvest into the fall or even winter. Succession planting is another valuable technique for maximizing your yield in a no-dig garden. This involves sowing seeds at regular intervals, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh produce. For example, you could sow a row of lettuce every 2 weeks to have a steady harvest throughout the growing season. Section 8. Beyond the backyard. No-dig's wider impact. The benefits of no-dig gardening reach far beyond our backyards. This sustainable approach has the potential to transform our relationship with the environment and contribute to a more sustainable future. Traditional tilling practices contribute to soil erosion, releasing carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. No-dig gardening, on the other hand, sequesters carbon in the soil, helping to mitigate climate change. Moreover, no-dig gardening reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides, which can have detrimental effects on human health and the environment. By embracing this natural approach, we can create healthier ecosystems and protect our planet for future generations. Section 9. Join the no-dig movement. Congratulations on embarking on your no-dig gardening journey. You're now part of a growing community of gardeners who are passionate about sustainable and rewarding gardening practices. Remember, no-dig gardening is a journey, not a destination. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your experiences, and adapt the principles to suit your unique environment and preferences. Share your no-dig gardening journey with others. Spread the word about the benefits of this sustainable approach and inspire others to join the movement. Together, we can create a world where gardening is in harmony with nature, producing abundant harvests and a healthier planet for generations to come.